In today's video, let's talk about how to fix Discord bot not responding. Now, there could be several reasons why this is happening. The first thing that you need to check is if the bot is online or not, or the online status of bot. In order to check that, just head over to the list of members that are within this particular channel and check if the green dot is available for the bot or not. If the hosting service is down or if the token has expired, you need to restart the bot script or wait for the public bots developers to bring it back online. So if it is grayed out, this is the issue that you're facing. Secondly, you need to verify the channel permissions. Even if a bot is online, it will ignore commands and would not be able to read or write into that specific channel if the permissions is not allowed. So simply head over to the channel settings, head over to channel permissions, and make sure that within advanced view, the roles are selected and have been given to the particular bot that is having issues. So these are the main two reasons why this happens. And once you solve these issues, you should be able to fix the Discord bot not responding error. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.